I want to be more confident, but I often feel scared when I speak. I worry about making mistakes when other people listen to me. Because of this, I sometimes stay quiet even when I have ideas. When I meet new people, I feel nervous and shy. My heart beats fast, and my face feels hot. I know that staying silent will not help me grow. I want to believe in myself more every day. Confidence is not easy, and it takes time to build. I learned that confidence starts with small steps. Every day, I try to do one small thing. Sometimes, I say one short sentence or ask one simple question. Even when my voice is small, I tell myself it is okay. Making mistakes is a normal part of learning. When I make a mistake, I feel embarrassed, but I keep trying. I learn to be kind to myself. Little by little, I feel more comfortable with who I am. I see that most people are kind and understanding. Confidence means trusting myself a little more each day. I am not perfect, and that is okay. Even when I feel afraid, I choose to move forward. Thank you for listening.